Hi, in this quick video, I'll show you how to invite users to join your organization's OnceHub account. Imagine you manage a sales or support team and everyone books meetings with clients. Instead of each person creating their own OnceHub account, you can add them all under one organization. This keeps your team's booking calendars and reports perfectly aligned and makes managing permissions super easy. First, log into your OnceHub account and reach to the home page. Then, click on the gear icon on the top right and choose Users. You land onto the users page wherein you manage all the users added to the account. Click on add users on the top right. Here, enter the email address of the user that you want to add or invite. Casting plus Jignesh at onesub.com and enter the name, and you can choose their role as well, if you want to provide them member access or team manager access or the administrator access to the account, and click on next. If the user is about to receive any bookings, and then you for that you need to choose or assign the scheduled meeting license to them, then click on next. If you want them to add to any teams which you have already created within your OneSub account, then you can obviously choose the team to which you want to add them to, and then click on next. But here I'll select that I'll do this later, and then on the confirmation page, just click on add users, and that is it. You can close it. The invited user will receive an email with a link to join your organization's OnceHub account. They just need to click the link and complete their profile to get started. Back in the user section over here, you'll see the status of that user as pending. As soon as they sign in and complete their account, this status will change to has signed in. And that is it. Inviting users to your OnceHub account is quick and easy. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.